equation of a line की बात करने जा रहे हैं. Guys, we have three kinds of equations. Okay, the two kinds of equations I have already discussed with you. An equation with you can be a vertical equation. Who will tell me what is the equation of a vertical line? A line can be a vertical line. So if you have a vertical line, what is the equation?
X is equal to something.
X equal to A is the equation for a vertical line, okay? And when you have a horizontal line like this,
Y is equal to C.
Y is equal to C.
that is Y equal to C. Jeetaro beta, this is your Y axis and this one is your X axis, okay? So this is going to be Y equal to C. Now, please remember the equation of a line always tells about the coordinates of the points on that line, okay? When there is a vertical line like X equal to A or X equal to 5 or X equal to 4, so that would mean you take any point on this line, the X coordinate is fixed, that is A. And similarly, if it's a horizontal line, so that would mean the Y coordinate is going to be fixed, that is going to be C. For example, you have a line here which is Y equal to 4. So if you take any point on this line, the Y coordinate will be 4. The X coordinate will keep on increasing if you move on to this side, and they will keep on decreasing if you move on to the left hand side, okay? Now, when you have a diagonal line, what happens in case of a diagonal line? Suppose you have a line like this. Now, what is happening here? You see that if you take any point on this line, you take different points, all of these points will have different X and Y coordinates, okay? And the equation of the line is basically giving us the relationship the Y and the X, or the X and the Y coordinates. Now suppose you have the equation of a line which is Y equal to X. So what would that mean to you? Y equal to X. Yes.
For each point in the line, the x-axis and the y coordinate and the x coordinate are equal.
Exactly. So for example, you are like, you know, on a tour to Dubai, okay, and you are just on the beach of Dubai, and someone comes and say, okay, ma'am, you have studied from 55 Main. Now please give me the coordinates of 5 points on this line Y equal to X. So can you give any 5 points coordinates? Yes, hurry up, be quick.
0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5.
0, 0, this is 1, 1, this is 2, 2. So you can give as many points as you wish, okay? Now, if there is a line Y equal to 2X, so now can you give the different points coordinates on it? Suppose the person says,
1, 2, 2, 4.
I have a point 2 comma K. So what will be the value of K here?
4.
4. Because 2 comma K lies on this line. So that means you put 2 here. So that means this K is 4. So this is basically, this equation is telling you the nature of the points, the coordinates of the points on this line. Now suppose you have Y is equal to 2X minus 1. So can you give the coordinates of any of the point on this line? Yes, be quick.
2, 3.
Yeah, when you put 2 here, so your Y is going to be 3. So this is going to be 2 comma 3. So now you must be knowing the purpose of writing the equation of a line. The equation of a line tells you about the coordinates of the points on that line, okay? Now we have to learn how to write the equation of a line. Now there is no need to learn the method of writing the equation of a vertical line, that is always X equal to A. For a horizontal line, this is always equal to, this is always Y equal to C. This is your C from which the line is passing through the y-axis. This is your A from which the from where the line is passing through the x-axis. Now, for the diagonal lines, the equation of a line is Y equal to mx plus c. You guys have been using this method in your O-levels. Now, there is a quicker way of writing the equation of a line, that is y minus y1, that is equal to m into x minus x1. Let me tell you where do we get this formula. Now suppose there is a line like this, okay? And on this line, we have a point here A, which is x1 comma y1. There is a point B, which is x comma y, and there's a point C, which is x2 comma y2. You people know about the collinear points, Anna. So can I say the gradient of AB is same as the gradient of AC? Yes? So what is the gradient of AB? That is y minus y1 over x minus x1. What is the gradient of AC? That is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So now you can change this thing, all of this with m, that is the gradient, okay? So now this becomes, this equation is going to become y minus y1 over x minus x1, that is simply equal to the m, okay? So now this becomes y minus y1, that is m into x minus x1, okay? You must be very quick at writing the equation of a line. You just need the gradient and you need a point on the line, x1 comma y1, okay? Now, suppose you have a point A, which is 2 comma 3, and you have been given the gradient that is half, and you have to write the equation of this line, okay? So that will be y minus y1, that is m into x minus x1. There is no need to find c separately and m separately. So this is going to be y minus 3, that is half into x minus 2. Now let me tell you an interesting thing over here. You know, this is the equation of a line. You can leave your, for example, the question is write down the equation of the line. So you can leave this up to this. This is the equation of the line. But if the question says write the equation in the form ax plus by, that is equal to c. So you see there is going to be 1 mark for writing, giving your answer in this particular form. So then you will have to do that cross multiplication. This is 2y minus 6, that is equal to x minus 2. So this is x minus 2y, that is equal to minus 4. This is the answer in the required form. So you have to read the question statement clearly and see that how, in what form the answer is required, okay? Now this is the easier case when you're given a point and one of the coordinates. But mostly we have 2 points on that line whose equation has to be written. Now, suppose we have a point which is, let's say, 3 comma minus 2, and another point is minus 5 comma 9. So we have to write the equation of the line. So you will quickly find the gradient. If you have 2 skills, guys, one is writing the equation of the line, and second, solving the equation simultaneously, you can really be good at maths, at your A-level maths. This is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is 11 over minus 8, or you can write this as minus 11 over 8. Now, this is y minus y1, that is m into x minus x1. So you take any of these points, this is going to be x1, y1. So this is y plus 2, that is minus 11 over 8 into x minus 3. You can leave your working up to this if the question says just find the equation of the line, okay? Otherwise, you can do that cross multiplication. That is this minus 11x plus 33. Your answer can be 11x plus 8y, that is equal to 17. This can be one of the forms. This and this mean the same, okay? Now we shall practice this.